Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Codez AI. Today we are going to build this portfolio navbar section and the hero section. So this is the output. As you can see, this is the navbar. See, there is a hover effect on the navbar list, and this is the hero section. This is built using ChatGPT and Tailwind CSS. It is very easy to build. You don't have to write the code. Just you have to copy paste the code using Tailwind CSS components and ChatGPT. Okay guys, so let's start building our responsive portfolio website. So firstly, open your Google Chrome or your browser. Here, just type Tailwind CSS. Okay, so this is our Tailwind CSS website, official website. So open this. After opening this, press on Get Started, and here go to Play CDN. Okay. So here, copy the script code so that you can invoke the components of the Tailwind CSS in our HTML. So copy this code. Okay, so the code is copied. Open VS Studio. So this is our Visual Studio Code editor. Here, let me just open my folder. Okay, so this is my Tailwind CSS folder. So here I have created an index.html file. Okay, after this, just create the boilerplate or just type the boilerplate of the HTML. So this is my boilerplate of the HTML. So here, just paste the code of the Tailwind CSS, okay, which I have copied. So this is my Tailwind CSS script code or the link of the Tailwind CSS. So firstly, let's build the navbar of the portfolio website. So okay, firstly, let me open my ChatGPT. Sorry, Google Chrome. Okay, here you have to open ChatGPT. Okay, so here, this is our ChatGPT. Okay, so let me type the prompt for the navbar. Okay, so let me just copy this. Okay, so yeah, let me just copy this navbar section. Okay, so just copy it in the body. Open VS Code. Just remove this body part. Okay, just copy paste the code which I have copied here, copied there. Okay, so the code is copied. Okay, so the code is copied. So let me just see the output. Okay, so our navbar is ready. See, as you can see, it has a hover effect. Okay, so our navbar is ready. So let me just build the body. Let me just build the body or the hero part of the navbar. Let me, as I have shown you in the output. Okay, so open your Google Chrome again. Okay, so Chrome just here. Okay. So here, just type tail blocks. Okay, so we have tail blocks. This first website, open that. Okay, here we have to build the hero part of the website. So let me just go to hero part of here. Okay, so this is the hero section. So let me just press this. Okay, so this is how the output is here. So let me just view code here. Okay, so here's the full code of the hero part. So let me just copy it. Okay, so the whole code is copied. Okay, after this, again open your VS Code. Here, just paste the code. Okay, so let me just see the output. Okay, so this is my output. So see the code which I have pasted now is given the output like this. Let me just add an image so that you can make the difference. Just open here. I will remove this dummy image link. Okay, so I have removed it. So let me just copy paste the portfolio which I have downloaded. Copy. Just paste the code here in the image tag. Okay. Yeah. Just save it and open it. I'll show you. So see, I have pasted the code. So this is how it is. So let me just change the text as we are building portfolio website. So just me just write related to that. Okay, so I have wrote like this. We create responsive websites. I will just remove this. Yeah, and I will change the button text. Okay, so this is my button. So let me just change the text of the button, like, and yeah, let me just save it and open it for you. Okay, so this is our final result. As I have showed you in the output, this is what we created. I hope you like the content.